308A. So we need it to be 307C, and this is 308A. What is up, everybody? D Brooks here with another video. So I'm getting ready to do my fuel system right quick, and I have something to show you guys. I thought my fuel lines were pretty much rotted out, but I got lucky. I found something that I'm gonna use to my advantage, and I'm not gonna have to use as much fuel line, and it's gonna make things a lot easier for me. So here, let me show you guys real quick. All right, so as you guys can see here, you got the other lines right here that are pretty much rusted out. Well, I thought, well, geez, I'm not gonna be able to use those because they're rotted out, right? But if you go just over here, those lines come over here, and right there on the other side of these soft lines, which that's what I'm gonna remove. There's a soft line here. I'm gonna put this is gonna be my feed right there. And then this one's gonna be my return. That's the evap, which we'll deal with that later. But I'm gonna take this off, put my return line on here, which is pretty much low pressure. And then I'm gonna put my AN fitting adapter on there. And then we're just hanging the tank back here. I'm gonna take this stuff out, all right? So that's the update on the fuel system. Also got the new straps, which you can see look a heck of a lot better than those, right? So I'll be putting those in, and then there's my heater. Got the Dayton's. Woo! Man, the garage is a mess. So I'm gonna do my fuel system like this. This is gonna be my feed right here, and then I'm gonna run like a regular, just fuel injection hose for this. This is my return, and then I'll wire it up later. So it's pretty much labeled on here already. If you guys can see that, but you got your ground, your power, and then you have also your like the gauge or whatever for your fuel pump. So that's gonna be that. This is the fuel line. You see what I'm saying? And then the connector, I'm going to use, guys, this is such a mess. Just bear with me. The connector I'm gonna use this connector on the 3/8 line up until it gets to this high pressure line right here, this hard line. That's gonna be the hard line, which is gonna come up from here. I'm gonna make sure it comes all the way out this way, away from the headers, into my fuel pressure regulator right here. And then it's gonna get regulated in here. And then it's gonna go right into the fuel rail, all right? So, and then this is the return. This is gonna be the return, which I may go ahead and do an AN fitting on here. You don't really have to. There you have it, guys. That's pretty much my fuel system in a nutshell. All I gotta do is go ahead and put it in. That's it. Put it in, wire it up, baby. We're gonna have some fuel pressure for them, you know what I mean? So, super excited. Just time to get busy, really, you know? What is up, guys? D Brooks here with another video. I come to you guys with a little bit of frustration because I spent pretty much the better majority of my day working on this car, and they sent me the wrong fuel tank. I've made mistakes, right? Now, I've made mistakes on this build. I've, messed up on my drive shaft and different things like that, but I ordered fuel tank 307C. They sent me 308A. I looked up 308A, that's for a 4-door Cutlass. So, of course, I had issues trying to fit it in. I was trying to get this thing to fit. It would not work. I got my fuel sending unit in, I got my lines plumbed, ready to go. And I'll show you guys. Like, I was working today, guys. I was getting stuff done. All I gotta do is run my return from here to here. I'm running my return right there. I was working. And you know, I got my fuel line ready to go, right? And they sent me the wrong fuel tank, guys. So I don't have the fuel tank in. I'm gonna show you guys that it is the wrong part number. I'm gonna call Rock Auto in the morning. Hopefully they can get me the right one out immediately, because this is what's holding us up, man. I mean, I could just say forget it and use my old tank. Or I could go ahead and try to make, you know, take my time, do it right, wait for Rock Auto to send me back the right stuff. But either way, you know, it's gonna take us more time to get the car on the road, and obviously I want the car on the road immediately. So y'all let me know what y'all think I should do. I definitely ordered 307C. That's for the Buick Grand National. I would have never ordered a Cutlass tank just because I had already did that research. And the whole point was I wanted the baffling in the fuel tank, so that's why I ordered the Grand National. I mean, I wouldn't even search for a Cutlass. I got a Regal and the Grand National tank. So it is what it is. I mean, you know, it just goes to show you got to check everything. You know, when you get parts in, you got to check them. But yeah, guys, this is my setup right now. This is like the eBay fuel pressure regulator. I'm gonna have my fuel line coming up through here. That's the hard line feed. And then I gotta go into the AN fitting. I'd use the adapters. I'll put the link in for that. And then ran that right up to here. Filter right there with the Russell filter. And then this is gonna be my return down here, which, like I said, it's gonna go right here in this line. So, but yeah, that's kind of what I'm dealing with right now, guys. I really wanted to give you guys a video of the fuel tank being in and done and everything, but this is what I'm dealing with. So I'm gonna show you guys proof that they actually sent me the wrong part. So I don't know if I had a receipt here, but I got the email. I'll put it in the video so y'all can see the email that I was supposed to get 307C. I got 308A. So, all right, guys. So, I told you guys I would show you this, and I'm gonna go ahead and take it to the next level. I'm gonna show you guys an email from Rock Auto saying that I was supposed to get the 307C. I know it's not that big of a deal that they sent the wrong part. It's only a big deal because I really need to get this done, and I've been really trying to get it done. And this is like the last warm weekend of the summer or of the season, right? 308A. So, we need it to be let me make sure I got the right lens. We need it to be 307C, and this is 308A. This is for a 4-door Cutlass, so it's not gonna work for my 2-door Buick Regal. It does, however, have the fuel injection baffling inside, which is cool. If you guys have a 4-door, this might work for you, but for the Regal, the Cutlass 4-door tank is a no-go. I believe it's a little bit thicker. Also believe the neck is different. So I wanted to show you guys that real quick, just so you know. And again, guys, I could have paid attention to this, but I just kind of trusted them. If you notice right there, you have like an offset. Boom, it goes down and over. On this, it's just kind of like straight. Now, for whatever reason, I just was like, you know, I figured, man, maybe they just kind of made an adjustment. I didn't look too much further into it. So I went to go try to put it in, and it didn't work. So I wasted pretty much my whole Sunday. Wasted pretty much my whole Sunday on it. So no, I don't have the fuel system done. I told you guys I would have it done. I did not see this happening. So.
Oh, did you show them that over there that you did that?
I did show him that, yeah. I went ahead and showed it to him, so. Yeah, if y'all have any questions, feel free to go ahead and leave them in the comment section. You have any comments or, suggestions, go ahead and leave them in the comment section as well. And if you like the video, just go ahead and smash the like button. And if you want to see more videos, just go ahead and subscribe. I'll try to get this thing resolved probably in the next week or so. Like I said, I gotta call Rock Auto probably in the morning. And I'm gonna send them a picture of that and just tell them like, hey, I won't be able to send you the tank back until you send me the new one. So who knows how long it's gonna take. So I feel like I kind of disappointed everyone because I was really trying to get this done, and it's kind of been a situation. So I really do rock with Rock Auto. Like for the most part, it's just this situation kind of messed me up a little bit because of the timing. So I'm not trying to run the name in the mud or anything, but just goes to show you have to look at the you have to look at the details because these look so much alike. But they're different. They're just minor differences. And who knows, maybe they did change them and now you use the 308A for the 307. But it just doesn't work.